In the shadows of a long-forgotten garage, a shape lay dormant, shrouded in dust and time. A single beam of light cut through the darkness, revealing the unmistakable silhouette of a Ford Escort RS2000, a relic of a bygone era. A deal was struck with a knowing nod and a firm handshake, securing the future of this automotive legend. With the utmost care, the classic Ford was loaded onto a flatbed, beginning its journey from neglect to rebirth. The first blast from a pressure washer stripped away decades of grime, unveiling the original vibrant green beneath. Sparks flew as grinders meticulously purged the body of rust, preparing the canvas for its renewal. A spray gun then swept across its panels, cloaking it in a deep, lustrous British racing green. Now, under the brilliant glow of studio lights, the Ford Escort RS2000 stands reborn. Every curve gleams, every piece of chrome sparkles. A perfect fusion of classic design and meticulous restoration, ready to conquer the road once more.